I had people who came to River State to flag off narrow gauge. When the world is talking about standard gauge, what they are giving River State narrow gauge. Because I challenge them. Show us what you've done for the people of the state. So what they will do is to come and say, okay, since you are complaining, let's come and give you back that narrow gauge. Instead of giving her the standard gauge to Medjugorje. And they're beginning about it. River State, the treasury base of the nation, the state that they use their money to produce their president. Towards the end of the administration, what they will come and tell us to have a narrow gauge. I was watching Kakaki and I heard somebody, they said is the minister, was talking and he said he does not drink. Who told you to drink? If the way you behave in time you drink, what will happen? I mean, the minister of the Federal Republic will come and tell Nigeria that he does not drink. What business is that? When Chuba Karibo was the Senate president, and they asked him, Mr. Chuba Karibo, every time you are drinking brandy, whiskey, and you ask them, gentlemen, it's not proper I drink whiskey and brandy and contribute meaningfully to the development of the nation. That somebody who does not drink and cannot contribute to the development of the nation. A man drinks in university, he comes out with first class. A man does not drink, he comes out with pass. Which one do you choose? No, tell me. A man drinks. He comes out with first class, second class. The man who does not drink comes out with pass, and the other, etc. It's not better to tell your son to drink and come out first class. Again, a man drinks, but he does not destroy people's homes. A man does not drink, he destroys people's homes. Which one do you prefer? It's not to drink and not to destroy people's homes. I don't know why some people cannot be matured in their lives. You have been this, a minister, you don't even know how to talk. I begin to say, governor talks anyhow. It's better for me to talk anyhow than to destroy a home. God will never forgive those who destroy homes. God will never forgive those whose eyes will never live in people's families. Today I curse them as the governor of the state. All of you who joined them to destroy homes, may your home never be in peace. People who have no parental training. People cannot say that I was brought up by my parents. I was brought up by my parents. My father is 91 years a pastor. I was brought up by him. I never went to anywhere to stay. I stayed in my father's house up to now before I married and left. Some people stayed in 20 people's houses. So they cannot boast of having a parental upbringing. I challenge them. You think you go to Abuja and tell them any rubbish? I'm proud. They said we will not be governor. We taught them lesson in politics. Did you not do that?
Some people think say you they do juju. Hey, but then when I say that God is the devil. Nobody gets it more like we get.
2015, they said we will not over their dead body. I'm looking for the dead body. 2019, they said we will not be, they are in power. I say you're not in power, God is in power. And people are talking in this state because of the government that says they're fighting corruption and protecting people. Sold our property $308 million and kept for us $208,000. That is kind of people parading themselves in government. Our government that said they're fighting corruption. Shame. So I felt I should come to his local government and tell him, if you don't keep quiet now, what we will tell the world? This one we're saying is what we call introduction. What we're saying is what? Introduction. You know, when you're writing an exam, you have to introduce where you're going to. From that will make the lecturer know, the teacher know that, yeah, this is a good student, he knows where he's going. So I'm just doing introduction. I haven't said anything. If you talk, now Lucifer, shut up. Lucifer, shut up. From today, don't ever you open your mouth and talk before us, because you have nothing to offer.